Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 560, and today I am going to discuss the fruits and vegetables for mental fatigue, or we can call it nervousness, or for healthy nervous system. So uh, we know that our brain health or mental health is very important to carry lot of mental work, and there are two group of people. Some of them they are mainly involved in physical work. So even if they are not taking very selective fruit and vegetable for mental health, they can manage. But those who are involved in lot of mental work like teaching, research, office work, lecturing, lot of mental stress is there, mental tension is there, hypertension is there, hyperactivity is there, insomnia is there. Insomnia means sleep disorder. And to my understanding, in Nigeria, almost 2 million people they have sleep disorder. They don't get quality sleep. And quality of sleep is very important for our immune system. If we have taken 8 hours sound sleep without any disturbance, your 60% problem is over of your immune system. So sleep, quality sleep is very important. And for that, your nervous system should be healthy. You should have healthy brain. And to maintain your healthy brain, we need first is oil bearing nuts. If I say oil bearing nuts means it includes super is walnut, second is almond, third is cashew nut, fourth is that is whole grain like oat and wheat, then pulses. They are very important plant based food for our mental health. And as we know that uh, dopamine is a compound which is produced in our brain, and that if there is fall of dopamine, then there will be mental disorder. Means we will be depressed, we will not be having good mood, and this dopamine is nitrogenous compound, and it is only produced when our nervous system is healthy. And your walnut is very rich in vitamin E, then alpha tocopherol, and then linoleic acid, vitamin E, C, and antioxidants. That is your omega 3. So this oil bearing nuts, they are all very rich in those compounds which are responsible of maintaining your dopamine level in your brain. And dopamine is such a nitrogenous compound that if it falls, then it works as a messenger molecule, means transmission molecule between your nerve impulse and neuron cell. And in other words, we can say that dopamine is mood booster. If once the dopamine is fallen in our brain, we will be depressed, we will not like to go and work, we will feel lazy going. So all symptoms are there. It shows that we have some problem of nervous system, means dopamine is fallen. And as we know that nature has given the science, and this walnut is used since last thousands of years, because at that time phytochemistry was not advanced, bioactive compounds were not isolated. So the people at that time, philosopher and so-called scientists at that time with good knowledge, they used to identify the fruits and vegetables on the basis of their shape and size and structure. So they identified that walnut is having the structure like our brain. That's why they were using walnut as a source of fruit to enhance our brain capacity. And then later on in 21st century, we found that it is very rich in lot of phytochemicals which are very much helpful in our brain health. So walnut, if we see its phytochemical, it is very good for first nervous system to maintain the brain health. Second, that is very good for your cardiovascular system because it is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acid that is called omega 3. And third, it is good for bone also because it contains linoleic acid, vitamin C, and other phytochemicals like some antioxidants, vitamin E. So these are very, very good properties, and also walnut is very important for pregnant women because it provides folate and also all these phytochemicals for fetus. So here I have given the fruits and vegetables for mental fatigue, that is nervousness. Walnut, in Indian language it is called akroot. Botanical name is Juglannus regia L, that is Lin, and it belongs to family Juglandaceae. So number one is, that is walnut is oil bearing nuts. First thing you should know that it is oil bearing nut. In Nigeria, in North Nigeria, they know only kola nut. Kola nut is not oil bearing. Out of these nuts, I know Nigeria is having one oil bearing nut, and that is called cashew nut. It is produced in South Nigeria and they process it. So the walnut is oil bearing nuts, and it is one of the most concentrated food source of nutrients provided by nature. By weight, it contains 60% fat, and that fat is polyunsaturated, good fats, and which provide by nature. By weight. Number two, it contains polyunsaturated fatty acids, and that polyunsaturated fatty acid is called omega 3. Omega is a position, so that is actually alpha linoleic acid, and it involves in the formation of nerve tissue. This is very important property of walnut because it is involved in formation of nerve tissue, and also it regenerates some different type of neuron cells also, and also it is responsible of producing antibodies. So that's why walnut is very, very important for your brain health as well as for your physical health. And brain health is very important. I used to say first vaccine. We need mental vaccine. We need mental immunization. Means we should be free of mental fatigue. We should be free of tension, stress and strain. I call it mental noise. Once mentally we are sound, our nervous system is sound, rest will be okay. So number three, it is rich in lecithin and linoleic acid, vitamin C, E and folate, that is vitamin B. And these phytochemicals are used to slow down, that is your Parkinson's disease, that is we can say is a nerve disease, Parkinson's disease, where our finger and all body parts will not be under control. It will be having some shivering, something like that. And number two is brain stress, anxiety. Also they control aggressive behavior, hyperactivity. Insomnia means sleep disorder, where you are not having good sleep. Then anorexia. Anorexia means it is also mental disease where you are not eating, you are not consuming energy, so you are losing your weight. And in Nigeria, almost 200,000 are also suffering from anorexia, which is also type of depression, that is mental disease. Number 4, it improves dopamine. I have already told you dopamine is mood booster. Once the level of dopamine is reduced, we will be always in depression. And molecule, it is the substance that intervenes in the transmission of nerve impulses between the neuron cells. Actually, it is a messenger molecule, and it is intervene in your nervous system and neuron cells. Number 5, it is rich in melatonin, vitamin E, folate, allergic acid, which are very important for healthy brain. Number 6, good for heart due to presence of omega 3. That's why the cardiovascular system is well maintained and there is little chance of formation of blood clot because of presence of omega 3 fatty acid. And it controls the high, it contains high antioxidants, and that is also one of the factor. That's why we are free of oxidative stress. Number 7, it is anti-inflammatory. So since it is anti-inflammatory and it contains linoleic acid, which is very good for your arthritis and bone density. It improves bone density, bone health, we can say, because of presence of linoleic acid, and it is having anti-inflammatory property because it is very rich in antioxidants. It is good for pregnant women because it is rich in folate, and folate will help in fetus. And number 10 is vitamin E is important for our skin and it delays the aging of skin. So with this I will stop, and my advice to all of you, if you get chance to get walnut, almond, of course cashew nut is there, at least 3-4 times, once in week, you should add in your food. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.